Good Thursday morning to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and this is your outlook for June 12th, 2014. Looking at the current radar at the time this video was recorded, and we have the precipitation that's moving through overnight, and this is all left over from what happened today with the storms here in Virginia, West Virginia, and Maryland. Now moving to the northeast is going to come over eastern Pennsylvania, where they didn't really see too much in the way of rainfall over this day because of the low clouds and fog that were, and the east wind that was persistent all day long. So you had the clouds and drizzle, not too much rainfall on the eastern side of the state, but central PA did get hit with these showers and thunderstorms where temperatures were a little bit warmer. So go over to the NAM high-res future simulated radar, matching up pretty closely to the timestamp 1 o'clock in the morning on Thursday. So showing where the showers and thunderstorms are currently on radar matches up to this pretty well. And then we go into the future here, excuse me, and then we go a little to the future, and you see it's still lingering pretty steady and heavy over basically central PA and northeast PA at this point. But as we get into Thursday morning, the coverage of showers and storms spreads further to the eastern side of Pennsylvania, and you can see that just scattered showers and thunderstorms going the entire day, getting heavy at times. The precipitable water values in this area here are somewhere between 1.5 and 2 inches, so a very high water content. We're going to be looking for some flash flooding potential on Thursday in some areas where these heavier showers and storms pop up. And this is actually looking at 5 p.m. on Thursdays here. So you see just a steady, heavy showers and thunderstorms threat that's going to go right through the evening hours here, and then into at least the first part of the overnight hours on Thursday night, and then finally start to pull out in the wee hours of the morning Thursday night. So this is going to be a pretty good rainmaker for some, and it could be some localized heavy rainfall with these slow-moving storms once again. It doesn't necessarily have to be storms. It could also be just showers, but those rain showers could be quite heavy and very slow moving, which will allow for the flooding threat. Here's where we're going to look ahead now till Friday. I do think the front does clear. That warm front as it goes is going to head north here, and that's what's going on here on Thursday. Is we have a warm front that's going to be pushing through, and that's why we're going to have these showers and thunderstorms as the warm front we think is going to push through overnight and then set up your day on Friday. Here's Friday here, low pressure up to the north here. The cold front is actually way back here. There's going to be a prefrontal trough or a leeward trough that's going to form out ahead of the cold front. That's going to be the focus of these showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening. So we could have, depending on how much heating you get in the morning, and if you do get the sun to come out to add to the instability, if we do get some decent instability in this area like the GFS suggests, we could be dealing with some strong to possibly severe storms with some damaging winds being the threat. And that would, of course, be on Friday afternoon and evening. So we'll have to watch that and see how that goes and probably get a better idea of what should happen with the system on Friday. If you still have that onshore flow like we've been having for the last couple of days and it's still lingering to Friday, then you can just forget about the severe threat. But if it does allow the temperatures do in fact shift to the southwest or south, and it does clear this, you lose that easterly wind component of these clouds, and the sun does come out Friday morning, we could be looking at a severe weather episode in the afternoon for eastern section of Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and Delaware. So we'll keep an eye on that as we get a little bit closer during the day today with the new guidance as it comes in. One thing about this system is it's going to end probably about midnight on Friday night, and then we're going to have maybe some early clouds, maybe even a shower here down by the shore here very early Saturday morning. So kind of like a clouds giving way to sun on Saturday, but you're going to have lower humidity because this area high pressure that's sitting over here of the Great Lakes is going to move to southeast. It's going to position itself right over top of our coverage area on Sunday. So one of those nearly cloudless days and very low humidity on Sunday. Excellent day. And then this is going to shift down even further southeast down this way, set up shop out here on Monday. And with that being in this position, winds are going to turn more southwesterly, southerly, and you're going to have a increase in humidity by the time we get to Monday with increasing temperatures. And that's going to be the theme as we get into the following week here, is that high pressure is going to become a Bermuda high, what's known as a Bermuda high. Here's a look at Sunday with the high pressure sitting over top of us, first of all. And then when you get to Monday, you see it sitting down here off the coast. So that's what's going to allow this the warming to begin. But then we got to see this high pressure going to sink down here and get close to Bermuda. That's going to become a Bermuda high or a heat pump high, whatever you want to call it. That's going to allow these winds to come in from the southwest and just really pump up temperatures. Some areas are going to take a run at 90 degrees here in the Tuesday, Wednesday time frame. Best chance for that's going to be somewhere right around the Philadelphia metro area, but we'll watch that. Elsewhere, you could be in the mid to upper 80s, and maybe close to some of these outskirts areas might hit 90 on the thermometer. So our first 90-degree temperature will be well within reach, we think, in the Tuesday, Wednesday time frame. And each day, you'll have a chance of an isolated passing shower or thunderstorm, just kind of like summer heat type thunderstorms. Convection temperatures reached, and not really a trigger there, just heat of the day type storms, and that are typical with summer. So we'll get into that as we get a little bit closer. But right now, we're done with the heavy showers and locally heavy showers and thunderstorms on Thursday, and the strong to possibly severe thunderstorms Friday afternoon. We'll be following first, and just to see how much. We're going to watch those and see how bad we think they can get. But right now, we'll just go with the idea that could be strong storms Friday afternoon and narrow it down when we get a little bit closer. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich, and that is your outlook for June 12th, 2014. Have a great Thursday.